Georgia passed a sweeping bill on March 25, 2021, overhauling state election rules. Governor Brian Kemp signed it into law just hours after clearing the General Assembly. The measure is part of a larger effort by GOP legislators to boost confidence in voting procedures and roll back voting access in the wake of the 2020 presidential and Senate election. The legislation requires a photo ID to vote by mail, reduces time voters have to request an absentee ballot, limits where ballot drop boxes can be placed and when they can be accessed, replaces the elected Secretary of State as chair of the state election board with a new appointee of the legislature, allows the board to remove and replace election officials deemed to be underperforming, reduces the time frame in which runoff elections can be held, and, in most instances, bars outside groups from handing out food and water to people waiting in line to vote. Democrats and voting rights groups say the law will disenfranchise voters of color.
On any indication that it has nothing to do with fairness, nothing to do with decency. They passed a law saying you can't provide water for people standing in line while they're waiting to vote. You don't need anything else to know that this is nothing but punitive, designed to keep people from voting.
In response, several civil rights groups have filed suit against Georgia officials. Corporations like Coca-Cola and Delta Airlines have condemned the law, and Major League Baseball announced it was moving the All-Star game out of Atlanta.